Hi guys, so my name is Anushka Reddy and this is my summation from my hackathon which the topic which I have chosen is for the investor archetype agent track 4. So basically this is a mercenary whale analysis. This project focuses on analyzing transaction data to identify whale activities, influential transaction using clustering techniques. The idea stemmed from exploring how to detect significant patterns in financial data, which could be useful for fraud detection or market analysis. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk through the structure, process, and results, and the data which I have taken it from the Etherscan. Obviously, the data is decentralized, and as well as we are getting the all the crypto transactions from there. So yeah, here I'll show you the details in each and everything which I have done, the code and everything.
So this is the Etherscan from where I have extracted the data for this project. And for this project, I have used, uh, okay, so from here we get the tokens, all right. And for this project, I have used the USDC token. Yeah. So from here we click it and we find the token address, all right. And here's the holders where you can see all the people who have done the transactions, all right. Yeah. So we can download the data from here, from the download page data. All right. Yeah. So basically, motto for this project is the code idea is about the cluster transaction data, and we need to spot the whales, transaction that stand out due to their sizes or value. All right. And yeah. And so here we have in our GitHub. All right. Yeah. So yeah. All right. So this is the architecture diagram. So along how we will go ahead with our this project. All right. So the first thing which we want to do is the load. We get the CSV file from the Etherscan. We load. Then we clean the data. You know. Then we does the scaling. Like we use the feature scaling, and then we form a cluster, and we also do the analysis part, and then we get the final, data, data.csv. Like here we have already our file data.csv, the cluster data. This is the final output data we have. All right, this is the final output we have over here. And for this project, I'll show you what exactly I have used, what all libraries I have used, so that you can, it gets easy for you. Yeah, yeah. So I have used sklearn, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib. I'll just run all the programs to showcase you guys what exactly I have done. So here's the first thing, as I told you already, we load the file. So here we have the data.csv. I renamed it before it was in the Unicode. So I renamed it as data.csv in this file. And as you guys can see, we have the app.py cluster. That is the final CSV file we have. And then we have the demo.ipynb. This is a Jupyter uh, code, like notebook, which we have. So here we have all the data. Yeah. So here you can see it's pre-processing the data. Yeah. Also, we're gonna remove all as we all know, there will be NaN values. So we're gonna remove that out. So yeah, it's done. Then we add the feature scaling. For this one, we have used the standard scaler. Then we started with our clustering. So quickly, I'll show you guys. Uh, and also for this project, we have also used the Flower, the federating learning. In like I guess there was this one of the library of Flower which was not input, which was Ray. So I guess yeah. quickly I'll show you the clustered data. Yeah, so here's how it looks. Now I'm going to show you how does it looks in the UI. All right. Yeah. So here we have inputted the Streamlit and all. You know, you just what you have to do is you need to go to terminal and you just need to type Streamlit run dot app dot py. You know, wait, I just have to remove this thing. Yeah. All right. But since I have already, I have already deployed in the Streamlit, so I'm just gonna show you guys my Streamlit. How does it look? Wait, I'll just refresh it once again for you guys. Yeah. So this is the token address of the actual Etherscan, and this is my API key. So for the API key, you need to, log into the Etherscan. Everybody gets like 2 to 3 trials. All right. So this is the first trial, one API key. You get it for free. After that, you need to purchase it. So yeah. So this is the like the API key which I've got, and I've already input that. And yeah, this is the CSV file we have, data.csv. And this is the columns we have in the CSV column: transaction hash, status, method, block number, data time from like from name tag to name tag, amount, value, USD. So how much this data is scattered, like we have the data total 50 of data we have, we have total 50 data. And like this is the like we have this filtering like from 1,000 to 20,000. So it's like it's in the like you can see by the chart, like by this, you know, graph. It has this amount, like uh, which of the holder has done the most of the transaction. So let's put the filter, for example, like $15,000. We got almost like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So like we have got the 10 address, like the 10 holders. Yeah. For example, let's take it as for the and no whales have been found. Okay, so the 18,000, 15, yeah. So we have this two, 32 and 43. Yeah. So according to that, we see the clusters we have here. We have this cluster 0, 4, 1, 2. Like, see, you can see that how many people have done the transaction. Like you have this filtering over here. So yeah. So thank you for watching, guys. And I have already put the GitHub link below the channel. And yeah, you can check it out and you can see. Thank you so much for watching.